Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox jump scare. First, you'll need to set up the foundational elements. Every effective jump scare requires three key components: a trigger, a sudden animation, and a startling sound. Begin by creating an invisible part in your game world. This will be the area a player enters to activate the scare. Inside this trigger part, insert a local script. This script is crucial for ensuring the jump scare effects are seen and heard only by the player who activates it, providing a personalized and impactful experience. Now let's focus on the scare itself. You'll need a compelling visual and auditory element. Either design a custom, terrifying animation for a character or object, or import one that fits your game's theme. This animation should be quick and impactful, perhaps lasting only 1 or 2 seconds. Concurrently, choose a loud, sudden sound effect, think a sharp shriek or a deep thud. Make sure both the animation and sound are ready to be played in perfect synchronization, maximizing the surprise and fear factor for the player. With your assets ready, it's time to bring the jump scare to life through scripting. In your local script, write code that detects when a player's character touches the invisible trigger part. Once detected, the script should immediately play your chosen animation and sound effect. For instance, you might set the sound's volume to 10 and ensure the animation plays without delay. After the scare, consider adding a line of code to either reset the trigger after a short cooldown, perhaps 5 seconds, or destroy the part entirely to make it a one-time event. Finally, the crucial step of testing and refinement. Playtest your jump scare multiple times, ensuring it activates reliably and delivers the intended impact. Pay close attention to the timing. A delay of even 1/10 of a second can diminish the scare. Adjust the sound's volume and the animation's speed until it feels just right. You might also want to implement a cooldown, perhaps 10 seconds, or make the jump scare a one-time event per player to prevent it from becoming annoying. Polishing these details will make your jump scare truly memorable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.